Right, so I'm going to now measure the horizontal and vertical drive signals from the chip, and that's the horizontal drive signal, and that looks right. It's 2 volts per division. It's supposed to be 6.3 volts peak to peak, and that's at line rate. Everything that looks fine. And the vertical, let's change that. That's the vertical. That looks right as well. So we've got vertical and horizontal drive from chip. I'll look at subcarrier. That's your 90-degree subcarrier. That's like the phase switching one, which is that it's switching phase there. And that's your other one. It might not be it. Switching phase. What is that? That's subcarrier 180 degrees. There's 2 subcarriers, anyway. I'll look now at the vertical and horizontal deflection, like what's actually getting to deflection yokes. This is vertical. That's one side at yoke. That's the other side. That's right. I think it's like 6 point something. 5.4 on one side and 2.4 on the other side. That's about right. And then the horizontal, that's one side, that's the other side. There's a note there. That should be 64 volt peak to peak waveform, and that should be 29 volt peak to peak, like a ramp, you know, a sort of saw wave deflection signal there. So somewhere between the chip and the yoke there's a problem. The signal's not getting there, so I'm going to have to study the circuit and have a look and follow it through. This is a block diagram of the that board, and this is the horizontal drive signal from the SSG. Goes into this transistor. There's a common emitter. It's inverted. That goes to heater, and then it goes to this other transistor, which is inverter again. That's driving this transformer here. It's to pin 5 of that transformer, and it comes out at pin 6. It goes to deflection yoke. This returns and this is all the like the linearity circuitry, width and whatnot. This linearity transformer, it goes in pin 4 of that, out at pin 2 and back, and this is where it comes, you know, it returns to this transformer here. So I'll follow the signal through here and see if what's happening, because we know it's not present here at pin 6, and it's not present here, so these are his initial suspects, I think. Q601 and Q602. Right, so this is the first transistor, Q601. So that's the base. That's the collector. And there's just nothing there. Emitter. And that's connected to base of Q602. That's the collector. So it looks like we might have found this problem. So I'll have to have a look at what sort of transistor this is and see if I've got one that's a suitable replacement. Try replacing this transistor and see what happens then.